What?
Oh,
What with that?
got my seats.
Huh? Hey, don't make fun of my race seats.
No, I was gonna sit in them. It's racy. We're gonna go real fast. We're gonna do a big burnout in the dolly. Do I say dolly weird? Dolly, dooley,
The Wally?
duality.
Duality?
It's like one of them ruads,
Roots?
rudes, dude. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into the Platinum Built YouTube channel. I just want to apologize about no posts last week. We were on a family vacation and it was very nice. I did film a couple videos, but I have to wait to release those. But you know, we'll get them up, so stay tuned for those. But I just wanted to say thanks for tuning in, and if you want to, hit that subscribe button, show a little support to the YouTube channel. It's been a great journey. We just hit over 7,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I can't believe that. And I don't know, it's just crazy to think about, you know, like how it all works and how I could just kind of make videos of what I'm interested in. But I just wanted to say thanks for the support. I really do appreciate it. So I guess coffee's bad for you. My wife just read something online about coffee being bad for you, but we have arrived at the SPE HQ. Let's go in and see what's going on. All right, guys, so here is the deal. We are developing Dan through SPE's new full lock diff kit for the rear end to keep the rear end differential locked at 100% of the time when the switch is pulled out, meaning your electronic differential control knob, which also controls your four-wheel drive. You pull out the knob and it locks in your rear differential to have a solid locked in rear end, so both wheels will be spinning for a sweet smoky burnout, or if you want to do a drag race or something.
Talking about doing the 6.7, pulling the 7.3 out.
No, doing a 6.7 swap in an OBS.
Yeah, with the ZF6. With the ZF6 behind it. Yeah. What were we saying? You thinking compounds and...
Compounds and dual fuelers.
There you go. Reliable, like 1,000 horse, you know.
So like
6-speed truck.
Dude, that'd be sick.
That's what, 95 or 90? What 97? 97?
Yeah, 97, 350.
Nice.
It's looking good now. I got the whole front end back on it. Got to put the damn bumpers back on here soon. Just so I can tear it back apart.
When do you want to do it? We'll document it.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking. We're gonna do like a redo build kind of thing on it. He's finishing the body work now.
Okay.
It's like glass.
So this is like full like resto, like all the way
It was
down.
like frame off.
Down to
Like,
the bare frame. Sandblasted paint.
yeah.
Yeah, dude, we'll start spreading some leaks about a 6.7 OBS swap.
Yeah, we'll start leaking that shit.
That'd be sick. Oh, this thing's almost ready to roll. Oh yeah, I got the tank powder coated. He just built this probably the other day. I guess I just powder coated it last night. Looking sweet. Some skinnies.
Good.
You guys want to see a 6.7 Powerstroke swapped into an OBS. So you're getting rid of the 7.3, putting a built 6.7 compounds, motor, dual fuelers.
Dude, honestly, I would get that.
Want to see that? So what else do you have to do on this sucker? She looks about ready to roll.
Pretty much. Valve covers. Just a few more plugs I get in from Ford. That's pretty much it. Yeah.
What is this? A stage?
This is stage 1 long block.
Stage 1 long block?
Yeah, long block.
So these are just OE Ford heads, and then
Yeah.
you built it down low.
Yeah, we just put Gorilla rods pretty much in it. There's certain bearings that Dan buys.
Special bearings. Why don't you guys design a billet crank?
I think it's in the works at some point, but you gotta break the stock one to then improve on it.
When are you gonna design a billet crank?
You gotta break the stock
I gotta
one.
break the factory one first.
Let's break it.
We're gonna work on that.
Gray truck.
Uh-huh.
The gray truck.
That's not gonna make enough power.
Nah, not yet. We'll do it. Easy.
How much power do you think is gonna break that?
We bent the one on the rail. It was at we're probably like 1400-ish, and it bent a little bit, like it twisted. But it still ran fine. I mean, there wasn't anything overly wrong with it. We just.
So you
were
think
checking
2000
shit.
mark break that sucker?
I think so. I don't think anything. It's unknown.
It's unknown.
Who knows?
All right, guys. So if you have an 11 to 17, 18, whatever Powerstroke, F250. When did they have the electronic four-wheel drive?
11 and up.
So 11 and up, 6.7. That being said, you pull out this knob here like so. Can I pull this out?
Yeah.
Pull that knob and it locks the rear differential, meaning that both wheels are going to spin. And but whenever you pull that, it disengages as soon as you hit 20 mile an hour. Which, why do they do that?
I think it's a
Safety precaution to disengage the differential.
and wear. I mean, I think longevity.
So
on the actual locker itself.
if you're trying to do a big smoke show burnout, spin both wheels, you can't. You'll spin them up to 20 mile an hour, and then it will just go to
traction control.
traction control in the whole BS where both of them aren't spinning. So Dan here at SPE has came up with an awesome kit to kind of override the system and make it a rear differential modification to it be fully engaged 100% of the time, as long as this knob here is pulled out in the locking position. You can see how it says pull, and it's super easy to install. It takes maybe it might take you an hour with basic hand tools. It'll come with super nice directions. It has everything fully step by step and a wire diagram, so you don't have any confusion on which wires are going where. So basically you're just cutting and splicing wires in with a added relay. The hardest part, I feel like, is to remove your interior panels here, which would be mainly this that would go right there. You technically don't have to remove that. It's just easier to remove that to get the carpet up, because you got to pull the carpet back because your module that you're going to tap into is up underneath of your carpet. So super easy. Pull your interior panel, pull back the carpet. You have now access to all of your wires that are up under there that you're going to splice into, and then follow the directions and you're ready to go. So now when you pull out your knob, it will be 100% differential locked at all times, as long as your knob is out. I mean, this is like a temporary thing. Like, you're not going to drive with this 100% of the time. Like, obviously it's for doing fun things, like if you're doing a like a drag race or a sweet burnout. All right, so
But it's made for a momentary kind of thing.
Yeah, it's not a permanent
thing.
thing.
It's not designed to
like don't pull the knob and go down the highway for your family trip on vacation when you're driving 7 hours.
Yep.
It's for a fun temporary thing to have your rear end completely locked, meaning both wheels are going to spin equally.
It just allows you to do it at a higher rate of speed if need be.
Right. So basically, you can just rip a huge burnout when the wheels are cranking 100 mile an hour, and you got a big smoke show behind you, and they're both spinning because it didn't get disengaged at 20 mile an hour. So killer day developing this for this truck here, 17 and up. We didn't get it done. I actually got to go home. I got to go to the house. So we will be back tomorrow to finish this up. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Whenever we get this kit done, we're going to have a nice little discount code to get a couple goodies if you guys are interested in a full lock diff kit for your Powerstroke. Now this will be 11 to what, practically 18? 19? Yeah, I guess the 19s are out now, I guess. But the 11 to 16 Powerstroke rear diff lock kit was already developed. They changed a couple things for the 17, so we were just ironing those out today. As you can see, it's a super simple kit. It's basically just putting in a relay and splicing in some wires, but we'll get into that tomorrow. But stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. I am yeah, it's a modified relay. It's not just your average Joe relay. It says that in the directions also. But I'm heading to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.